Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a Deepseek tutorial and how you can use this. Really easy and simple. First things first, you want to come here to deepseek.com and just go ahead and click on start now. You'll basically have to create an account, or you can log in with your Google account, okay? You don't even have to create an actual account. Then what you need to do, guys, is you can go ahead and use the Deepseek app as well on your iOS or Android device. And it basically is like ChatGPT. You just chat with it like you do with ChatGPT. For example, here I asked it a prompt where a train is leaving New York and at a certain time, a certain speed, and then it's basically a logical and mathematical question. For this one, I did not use the DeepSeek R1 or search feature. I just used the normal prompt, and honestly, I was surprised at how fast it ended up giving me the answer. Look, I even used formulas and it actually gave me the correct answer. Usually with ChatGPT, it usually gives you wrong answers and it doesn't even correct itself unless you tell it that you gave it a wrong answer. And I also used a Python, a prompt where I asked it to create a Python function for me. And for this one, I used Deepseek R1, which is comparable to ChatGPT's O1 model, which charges $200 a month. And you can easily toggle this one on or off depending on when you want to use it. But when you do turn this one on, it does take some time for it to do its thinking, right? This one though was immediate. It didn't take any time to think. It started up within seconds. It was done. This one took about 56 seconds to think, and if I open this up, you can see its whole thought process. You can see how it was thinking, and you can use this to basically learn as well, right? You can follow along, see its thought process, and see what is actually going on. And what I found the most interesting is that it actually went ahead and it did a whole test. As you can see, it tested the function before giving me the answer, making sure that it's giving me the correct and accurate answer. I really loved this, right? And you can see everything step by step, see what's going on, and then from the white part is basically the whole answer, right? So you can go ahead and close this if you want and look at the answers. They give me the approach and what it did, gave me the solution code, and also gave me a whole explanation and what is actually going on. Of course, you can read through the thought process as well. So this was done using Deepseek. Now I also use search, where I asked it, who is the current US president? Now I can use, the search features, browse through the web, and get the most latest and accurate details. So I asked it this prompt, and it found about 37 results for this, right? And let me show you something else. You can go ahead to the settings and change your theme to light mode as well, whichever one you prefer. So here, it gave me 37 results for search. Basically, here is all of the references. Everything is accurate. You can click and go to those websites, not like ChatGPT that gives you fake references. It basically hallucinates and gives you made up references. Everything here is legit. As you can see, the dates are usually the latest dates. So everything here has been referenced and it has browsed through all those 37 results to give me this answer. As you can see right here, it even found out what today's date is, which ChatGPT doesn't even know what day it is today. And it gave me the current president. It gives me a bunch of other information related to it. So he's the 47th president. This is the day he was inaugurated on, right? And a lot of other information, since, for example, from when he served, his vice president, and where it took place, right? Including the weather and things like that, right? So it does give you extra information as well, not just the basic information. And this one was very fast. Honestly, it took about 10 seconds or so for it to do this, which is way faster than ChatGPT when you ask it to browse the web, and it actually gives you the proper references. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Ninja Guys. Turn on those bell notifications